trap and take over.
Okay, whoa. You gotta bring that shit back.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you.
So this the finished results for my nails. I didn't get to show y'all when Phil was actually done with them, but just something cute, simple, Frenchies, because I had to rush because I had to get to my lash appointment. And then now we're gonna go and get my toes done because I don't get my toes done at the same place I get my nails done. So let's go get into it. I'm going somewhere completely new that I've never been. It's called Organic Nails. Let's see how it goes. They better not mess up my feet. Hi. I'm Joe. Okay, so they getting me right. She gave me some red wine, y'all, in a little cup. She working on my toes. guys, so I made it to my hair appointment, as y'all can see. Getting that scrub-a-dub-dub. It feels so good. Oh my gosh. It always feels 10 times better when someone else washes your hair. Like, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip.
When they try and pull you in, I'll be the first one down to ride. You know I got you, you got me, 'cause I can tattoo on my skin.